Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum girls. I hope you all are fine and having a good care of yourself. As we will today we will continue our previous lecture, and in our previous lecture were reading about the topic element, the simplest kind of matter. This is our chapter number 9, page number 100. And in our previous lecture I told you about the element and the periodic table that is divided into groups that are the vertical columns and the period that are horizontal rows. So today we will discuss about the metals and the non-metals with their properties and the uses. So first of all I will share you about the periodic table. So before moving to the uses and the properties of the metals and the non-metals, I want to tell you about the metals and the non-metals in the periodic table. As you can see in this periodic table, there are some blue boxes while some are the pink boxes. And the scientists have classified periodic table into two groups. First one is the metal and the second one are the non-metals. The pink boxes are the metals while those of the blue boxes that are non-metals. So now move to the explanation of the metals and the non-metals.